action here. There we go.
She was like...
Get in there. Come on, buddy. Hop up. There you go.
Hi. Tell me when I was upside of the pool over there.
Thought I'd make a video about our dog walk since I haven't shot anything this week.
You didn't shoot anything when you were doing Jeremy's thing? Yesterday?
No.
Oh, why not?
Post. And it would have been a 5-second video. We zipped the truck thing together and went zip, 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 zip. It's done. Buddy. You, sir, are out of control. What's that? Yeah. Come on. You are definitely not going off leash today. You're a little too spunky. Come on. Good boy. All right, we're on the road. It is a beautiful fall day, and I am currently headed up. We're taking the hard way to Trillium Lake. So we're gonna go up the backside. I don't know, we've had a big storm. We'll see if any trees are down. We may get turned around. So stick with me. We'll do some driving. I filmed a little bit earlier today, probably around noon. Dana and I took the dogs up, and that is just a fiasco to try to walk dogs, and even with a GoPro. Well, walk our dogs, even with a GoPro. So I loaded up the camera, got approval from headquarters, and so I'm headed up. Hopefully the payoff will be kind of a cool shot of the mountain this afternoon. That may or may not pan out, but we'll see how we go. So stick around and let's go. I don't know about you guys, but that was pretty cool. So this will probably be one of the last trips I make up here before they close the gates. I may hike in or snowshoe in or ski in, but they do close this road here pretty shortly. It was pretty cool. The lake was frozen over. I took a few snapshots, and we'll just see how this turns out. But I appreciate you watching. I mean, if you stuck with me this long, we took the long, hard route to get up to Trillium. Kind of a gamble. We took the backside of rhododendron up on some Forest Service roads, and now we're making, well, I'm making my way out to the highway. given that there was a Subaru crossover parked at the lake, I suspect it won't be a huge issue as long as I don't eat it on the ice up here. Whoop. Okay, hold on just 1 second, okay? Gosh, I don't even know if you can see me, but I guess I'll go home and edit this. Sorry I'm too nervous to film myself doing recovery stuff. So the upshot was that very nice man in the diesel pickup pulled up behind us on this Blair sheet of ice, and we got the guy back down, and my homemade recovery rope got used. And so I drove the kind of the victim vehicle, while the other dude, who obviously knew what he was doing, drove his truck, which is much heavier than this thing, and we got him out. So it's off to home again. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.